Welcome to the world of Smarty Kinder and Teen, where innovation meets magic. Let's start with the Spider-Man edition, featuring Spider-Man's signature colors and web-slinging graphics. It's not just a box. It's an invitation to an exciting orthodontic journey. Inside, the magic continues. First, we have the specially designed invisible aligners, ensuring comfort and precision every step of the way. And look at these adorable Chewy Chewies. Shaped like bananas and carrots, they're not only fun to use, but also help ensure the aligners fit perfectly. Next, meet our myofunctional trainers. They help strengthen lip, tongue, and chewing muscles. And here's the Spider-Man-themed lanyard. Designed to hold Bite by T, it's perfect for on-the-go kids. Finally, we have the aligner case, complete with Spider-Man elements. This case keeps everything organized and ready for action. Now, let's step into the magical world of Frozen. For kids who dream of Elsa, Anna, and Olaf, this Frozen-themed set is sure to bring smiles to their faces. Let's explore what's inside the box. Inside, the magic continues. You'll find aligners specially designed for teens. These custom-made invisible aligners are ensuring comfort and precision throughout their orthodontic journey. And we have the Frozen-themed lanyard inspired by Elsa herself. Now let's take a look at the aligner case. Speaking of myofunctional trainers, they're also part of this Frozen-themed set. And there's more. Both themes come with an exclusive gift box designed to make the orthodontic journey engaging for kids and easy for parents. For parents, we've included a comprehensive parent's manual, your go-to guide for using the products effectively. And for kids, there's an aligner practice chart and a fun stamp set, turning daily aligner wear into a rewarding adventure. With Disney Magic and Smarty's innovative orthodontic solutions, we're here to help kids and teens unlock their healthiest, happiest smiles. Start the journey today.